Today, I'm excited to show you ether.fi Portfolio Manager, a platform that solves a real problem in DeFi investing. Think about this. You have ETH and you want to invest it wisely, but you're just overwhelmed by the different options that are present. So what do? Do you just take it, or do you put it in a liquidity pool, or use any of the lending protocols that are there? And even if you do any of these, how do you know you're just making the right choice? That's where we come in. We combine AI-powered portfolio generation with human broker expertise to give users the best of both worlds. So let me just tell you how it works in 3 simple steps. First, a user tells us their risk tolerance and investment goals, if they're just conservatively looking for steady yields or aggressively seeking maximum returns. Second, our AI, that is powered by Claude, analyzes the current market conditions and generates 2 customized portfolio recommendations. And these aren't just generic suggestions, they are tailored to that specific user's profile and the real-time DeFi landscape. Third, this is the key differentiator. Professional brokers review and vote on these AI recommendations. Think of it as like a second opinion from experienced traders, and users see these broker votes and then make their final decisions. The entire process maintains complete anonymity for users while providing real-time quality feedback. So what really makes all of this powerful is that every interaction makes the system smarter. The AI, that is Claude, learns from these market trends, user decisions, and broker expertise. It's not just static data, it's continuously improving. This creates a trust layer that pure AI solutions lack, while maintaining the speed and personalization that many traditional services can't match. So let's just go to the live demo. So first, let me show you how this works. I'll log in into a user called John. So you can see the login is successful, and then you can see the user's dashboard. And in this, you can see he has 10 ETH to convert. So here you can also select your risk preference from medium, high, or low. And you can see that here the goal is steady yield. Now, the first step is that you convert his ETH to EETH. That's using the ether.fi's liquid staking token. Notice the conversion rate is directly displayed over here. This happens in real time. Now, let's just convert his ETH to EETH, and you can see that the conversion is now successful. Now, after the ETH is converted to EETH, John has an option to choose from 2 different things. First, if he wants the traditional assets, or if he wants to use the pure DeFi protocols. And over here, let's just say he clicks on ether.fi native, and you can click on generate portfolios. Watch this. Within seconds, our AI generates 2 distinct portfolio options. Each one shows the expected return based on current market price, and you can see the annually growth as well. You can also see the exact allocation prices that are present across different protocols clearly. And you can also see the projected growth over time with these beautiful interactive charts. And you can see that in this, one portfolio has a higher WETH while the other is more diversified. That's the AI. That's the AI's understanding John's profile and giving him real choices. So now you can go and you can see that there's a button for create recommendation. Here's where everything gets interesting. John shares his recommendation ID to the brokers. So you can see that you can share this ID. So here the ID is 6DFF. So let me just switch to the broker account to show you how their view looks like. So let me just go to broker view, and here I'm going to log brokers. Okay, and logged in successfully. So now, as a broker, I can see all the different pending portfolio recommendations that are present. So let's just select John's profile. That was 60FF. So I'll just select on it, and then you can see everything. I can review John's profile, his risk tolerance, and his investment amount. And not only that, you can see all the data, that is the market snapshot at the creation, how much the value was, and what it is currently. And you can even see the AI's reasoning in the LLM of summary. Next, you can see all the different portfolios that the AI suggested. So, and it's the same, that the detailed portfolio breakdown that the user got, even the manager is getting. And right after that, the broker has to choose for one of the vote. Right now, I'm just voting based on my expertise, but in the future, we will have certified brokers only to be present to vote for these portfolios. Multiple brokers can vote, and they all earn a small fee if the user follows their advice. So let's just select portfolio A, and then submit the vote. Their vote has been recorded. This creates the financial incentive for brokers to give good advice. They only earn when users succeed. So now let's just switch back to our user. So when we go back, you can see that there is a recommendation present in John's view. The broker votes appear in real time. Every 3 seconds, the refreshing is done. You can clearly see that there's a broker called Sarah, and she has suggested the portfolio. And in the future, there can be multiple brokers choosing different portfolios. After that, John makes his choices based on the broker's recommendation and their comments, and then casts his vote. So let's just say that we clicked on portfolio A, what broker has suggested, and then we can confirm decision and calculate the earnings. And there it is, a complete breakdown of his projected growth, broker share, and platform fee. Everything is transparent, calculable, and fair. The user gets the best AI and human expertise. Brokers get compensated for their knowledge, and the platform sustains itself. Now, one more thing is that we are building a premium tier that gives user access to our top 5% rated brokers, those with 90% success rate. Premium users also get priority portfolio reviews, advanced analytics, and free consultation. This creates a natural monetization path while keeping the base service accessible to everyone. So to wrap up, ether.fi Portfolio Manager isn't just solving a technical problem. We're building a scalable business that transforms how DeFi investing works. For users, professional-grade portfolio advice anonymously with real-time expert validation, all integrated into the existing ether.fi experience. And for brokers, a flexible freelance income opportunity where certified professionals can monetize their expertise globally while working on their own schedule. And for ether.fi, a value-added feature that helps users invest smarter, stay longer on the platform, and achieve better returns, increasing user satisfaction and retention. And for the DeFi ecosystem, we are democratizing institutional-grade financial advice. No geography barriers, no minimum investment requirements, no traditionally advisory fees, just smart AI recommendation validated by the global experts. And here's the key that we have. The system gets better over time. That is our AI, the Claude. Every recommendation, every decision, every market moment feeds our AI. We're building a self-improving investment engine that scales globally and continuously improves. Right now, the platform is live, functional, and ready to deploy. This is the future of decentralized financial advice. Thank you very much for listening to us, and that's all from our side.